She in clouds in the sky floats soft and light.